Hi everyone, today's recipe is coriander rice. For this I have taken a big bunch of coriander leaves. I have cut and rinsed this coriander. I have added it to the blender, adding a small piece of ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies. You can add it according to your spiciness. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to blend all this now. I have blended it to a fine paste. Heating some oil in the pot and then adding 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, gram, Bengal gram. Let it come to the golden brown color. Just sauteing it for 2 minutes. Next to this I am adding Urad dal, 1 teaspoon. Let it come to the golden brown. It is almost golden brown. Next I am adding 2 cashews. Saute everything. I am adding 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cardamom, peeling it from one side, 1 teaspoon Shahi Jeera, mix everything well. Next I am adding this blended coriander paste. After adding this coriander paste, saute everything till the raw flavor goes out. It might take I'm keeping it on the medium flame. It will take 5 minutes. Saute it till the oil leaves out of this coriander paste. Oil started leaving the paste, and next I am adding cooked Basmati rice. For this rice, for 1 cup of rice, I have added 1.5 cup of water and required amount of rice. I have added rice. Now saute it, mix it well. Mix the rice well. This is very healthy. If you want, you can even add green peas to this, or even tomatoes to this coriander paste. I'm taking out this bay leaf. Now switch off the flame, and next I'm going to transferring it to the serving plate. Now transferring it to the serving plate. This is very simple. We can make it just in 15 minutes and very healthy as well. Now transfer and just garnishing with the few coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.